Hey YouTube family, happy 4th of July. Now this is gonna be a very short video. We kind of got in the middle of getting something done because we just got so much stuff to get done during the holiday here, and we need to use every little bit of time we can. So we're not gonna film very much, but what we're going to be doing is showing you how we've been coming with the onion harvest. It's almost all out of the bed now, and we're gonna show you how we're going to dry or harden off our onions to cure them. Now, this is not original with us. Just to let you know very quickly, we've stolen this idea from Hollar Homestead. So if you'd like to see that and it's original, you can go over to their channel. I'll put a link below and take a look at them. However, we're hoping that this will do well to get all of our onions all seasoned and hardened off. Let me flip this around really quick and show you what things are looking like. So this is what Lynn has harvested so far. We've got just a few more left here that she's pulling out. Now that might not seem like a lot, but we have half as much, if not twice as much, in the garage. So again, we're just gonna show you what things look like really quick. Oh, that's that and another bag. And another bag, plus a giant basket inside. We've had a very good onion harvest, I would think so. What do you think, honey?
Yes, and the ones I've left in, the nicks are still pretty hard. So I'm gonna leave them in a little bit longer, hopefully for them to grow just a little bit more.
All right.
See what happens.
So let me go back and get another, what am I talking about? Sawhorse. And we'll get these into the garage and we'll show you what we're gonna do. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hang the onions bulb side up down through the slats, try to keep them nice and tight. If I need to drive some screws through this to keep them sandwiched in so they don't fall apart and all the onions fall down, that'll be great. And we'll end up setting a fan down towards this end to circulate air through here. But let me go ahead and put this on time lapse, get it set up, and we can start trying to get these things loaded. It could be entertainment. As we do this, we could find things just falling down on us while we do it. All right, so it was a good idea until it wasn't, and then it was again. Let me flip this around and show you what we had to do, because we probably entertained you a little bit when we had a whole row collapse. So these are a set of very old, well-used Harbor Freight sawhorses. So not a big deal to just go ahead and screw some screws through. So I just grabbed some screws I had handy and drove a screw down through the sawhorse. I didn't put any in the middle sawhorse, not so worried about that. And then put some on the far end too. Now, again, we're gonna set up a fan and run all these with a fan to kind of get them cured up really nice. Let me take a quick moment to count all these and see how many we've got, because friends, this is probably one of the best onion harvests we've ever had as far as quantity and size of onion. So we have a total of 150 onions exactly. Now we've got a few more out in the garden, maybe 10, maybe 15, I don't know. So we really, really are happy with this harvest. We'll go ahead and give you an update at a later time on how we will then kind of clip these and put these in the storage. We've done storage before. There is a video of how we've done it with pantyhose. I'll put a link to that in the bottom so you can go back and see that. Pretty sure we might be doing that again. However, we don't have a basement like we did on our other house. So again, I'm not sure how we're gonna do at long-term storage. The onions we had in the basement in a nice, cool, dark place lasted a long time. We had almost no loss when it came to the onions spoiling or getting soft or rotting or anything like that. So again, thank you so much for joining us today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, and we hope that this is an encouragement to you. Maybe you've learned something or learned how not to do something, right? Whichever one it takes. You all have a blessed day.